Hey guys, save it real quick. First, the video is way shorter than it actually is. Like, because there's so much bloopers from me trying to do, the second move that I just did right now. I keep failing finisher. Every time I'm about to do the finisher on this one, I kept messing up, and I had to redo it multiple times. It took me almost 2 hours just to get it done, so that's why there's so many bloopers. So the video is long because of the bloopers. Why does this video have finishers, but the Zuku or, the third form Stain don't have finishers? Well, it's because I forgot, and I'm not going to read the videos just to add the finishers. For these videos, this video has finishers, but those don't for that reason. But also, I'm gonna, once I showcase all of these characters in, all the videos, once I showcase all the characters, I'm gonna make a full compilation called the Ultimate Hero Battlegrounds Showcase, which is a compilation of all the videos that you've seen on the channel so far. It won't come out until I finish Dobby's Mastery, which I'm not going to do after this video, so I just want to state that. So yeah, sorry if the video is too long. Most of it is just freaking bloopers. I think the video is 3 to 4 minutes long, but it will probably be a little bit longer because of the bloopers, so you can just skip the bloopers. Like and subscribe. Yeah. On with the video.